Anyway, I think reacting to some stuff might make for a decent video to like draw in some new people or something. And hey, if we like it and it's funny, then it might be a thing that we do. I got my coffee with me. At some point, I'll stop and make another coffee because you know me. The ass power! Can't save!
There we go.
My butt does that too. Oh no!
Chloe.
So this is
Stupid
pretty
kid.
crazy. A passenger at the airport fell into the x-ray machine on accident.
No, you didn't fall on accident. You laid down on it on purpose.
This priest found a more efficient way to
Come
bless
on, bro.
people with holy water.
I'd straight up punch the guy. Like, you can't fucking spray me. Wait, the guy with the phone too? What? Riz. Oh no, dude! I love cats. I love them.
This is what it looks like when a
Queen.
pregnant woman laughs while getting an ultrasound.
Get squished, you stupid bean. Yes!
Eu amo o baiano, velho. Peraí, deixa eu ver a cara dela.
Oh, baby! Baby! Little dude!
Someone found this train car.
Little dude! I love cats. So much that apparently it's killing me. The doctors say it's terminal. Ew, gross! Ew, that makes me want to gag.
High five. No.
That actually made me want to gag. That was,
This window
gross.
washer used water pressure to get himself back onto the building.
Oh, then it's getting shit. What the fuck?
They put Apple Vision goggles on a robot to see what
Okay.
would happen.
He's he busting it down, sexual style. He posed.
This goat really
Same.
launched her own child.
There was an anime attack.
I can't decide if this is a really smart or really dumb elephant tattoo.
That's dumb. What? Why would you want to be pinched? Is that your?
So this is kind of insane. This guy tried to use a video of an AI generated person to defend his case in court.
We will hear that video now.
May it please the court. I come here today a humble pro se
All right.
before a panel of 5 distinguished justices.
Is this, hold on. Is that counsel for the case? So if you are able to shut that off.
The seal started spinning out of control.
Chick laughing about it.
Shut that off.
Oh, she
The
would knows. I
seal
thought
started
she was like
spinning out of
actually
control.
laughing. That would have been funnier. This sped up to breakable would go hard. Maybe, I don't know, we might just watch more. I love birds! Little dude!
So cute. Oh my god.
Yeah, they do that.
Why are you still here? Why are you still here? Go away!
I need the whole thing.
Oh my god.
Why are you still here?
Fucking. I'm getting like fucking head bonked and rolling over. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, that's so good.
Go away.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Same.
You eat in my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
Bitch. Aww.
This poor little hedgehog
Fell
deflated.
over.
These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road
They
that they
can
thought could use some.
condense like that?
Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the bumble.
Oh my god, I didn't even heard that. What? Oh. Oh my god, even I can't do that. Yes, look at them go! They're just orbs that wobble.
Hi.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
Little nugget. He's gonna pass out.
He made a fire to warm
He
up his
went too
horses that were
hard.
in the field.
He went
the
too
horses here.
hard.
Poor guy got so upset.
He punched him! Yes. That makes me happy. Ah! Love him! Oh, I love rats.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Are you okay? Bro's got hair though. Oh,
This
lucky
groundhog
day.
keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
Oh my god, yes. Slay. He's gonna take the phone.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
Aww. What the fuck?
This guy found a really round
Dramatic.
bear.
Oh my god,
Fat
orb!
bear. Oh my god, the Gina
He's
bear.
so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
It's like when
This
a
duck
child
loves
draws a
getting
bear.
kisses.
Oh, he's happy! I love duckies. Oh, that's one of my favorites. That's the most Australian laugh I've ever heard in my fucking life.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
Yeah!
This poor little
the
guy
clap.
couldn't hold on.
Is it a squirrel with a gun? Is it that, like, how you save or something? Big man. big man.
This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
Oh, you're so ugly. I love you.
This cat somehow managed to
The
scare away a bear.
scream. What a cool dude. Whoa, the slide.
Oh, I'm trying to
Slide
go
and
to
show him the
sleep
cheeks.
or take a nap, and he's just.
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as
I love
possible.
birds. It's because you're ignoring him. He's a child. He wants attention.
So why is he sitting like this?
He's waiting for his boys to show up. Yes! Destroy him.
A fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see. Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
I didn't know that was a thing. What? What the fuck is going on?
It got so quiet in here. How did I?
What? After he said it's so quiet, like what? Wait, huh?
What is happening?
Can you just get a normal car, bro?
going?
I don't know, but I don't want to drive past them.
Yeah, no, get away from that.
He didn't properly tie down his mattress.
Oh no, that thing's gone, bro. Oh dear. Okay, bye!
There's a lot of dumb drivers in this video, but I think this is the winner.
Bro! Like, even the beeping. Like, are you fucking, like, stupid? Wow.
These people said that they were just following their GPS and it said to turn into the water.
There's a line in the front of the boat. Sean, throw me the swimming buoy. Yeah. Throw me the swim buoy. We need somebody to pull on this fucking thing. All right.
This person ran into the same car twice within a few minutes.
Huh?
She couldn't figure out why her gas cap wasn't moving to the other side of the car.
Oh, that's next level, dumb queen. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Girl. Ah! No, queen. Oh. Did the guy just leave?
This Amazon driver didn't realize that they were driving on a bike path.
We'll see you in person just a bit, but I think that this message tonight is the one.
Okay. Less traffic, I guess. Well, I guess it worked out in the end. That's gone. Yeah, that's gone, bro. You're cutting too fast. What? That's not a
He
flex,
took
you're
this left
stupid.
turn a little too fast.
Ah, shit. Oh my god, what are you doing? No, you can't do that. What? Oh my god.
They just got their car cleaned after coming out of the car wash.
What? Oh no. You come back here.
Hello.
Hello.
This is the worst parallel Parker.
¿Qué se estaciona?
That's spooky. Oh.
He forgot to take off
I'm
his
sorry, but
ladder
this is
before
me
going
in
in a car
GTA.
wash.
Oh dear.
A driver went through a red light,
Oh
and
my
the perfect
God.
outcome happened.
What the f are you doing, bro?
Yes!
Oh my god, he got airborne.
His bumper.
He lost his bumper.
Wow.
This is great. I really don't know what she's doing.
These drivers were distracted after seeing this amazing rocket launch.
Wow, what is that?
It's a rocket.
No, but the thing is, it broke.
Whoa.
It broke.
I'm not the only thing that broke here, buddy. Challenge mode? Question mark? New GTA challenge just dropped.
He tried to bring his truck into a
How do you
McDonald's
tell your
drive-thru.
boss you fucked that one up? No!
He is gonna leave.
Fucking what the shit? Oh!
This bus in Russia didn't have a spare wheel, so instead they used a giant log.
What? I mean, if it works, it works.
They thought that this parking garage
What?
staircase was an
Girl.
exit.
What? The fucking the guy's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
These people perfectly backed their cars right into each other.
What if our cars kissed when reversing? I don't understand how people like.
A car in Ohio
I don't
was
understand
spotted
how
driving
people-
backwards. He somehow forgot to put his car in park.
Bye. The trip! The trip! Oh no! Queen, oh no! What? Bruh!
Is this real?
Someone parked their
Is
car
this
a little too close to the
real?
ocean, so when they came back, it was swept away by the waves.
Oh, she's gone, baby. She's in the ocean now. She's
This truck driver
Poseidon's
had
ride.
no idea that he was pushing a car.
Premiäromgång avslutades igår. Degerfors ledde länge, men Öster
Blind spot.
Östers Davids seger var resultat.
Skönt att vi får en poäng till slut.
We
They
go in
claimed that they were
places,
trying to
girl.
do a
We go in
U-turn.
places.
This
Pop
police
off.
officer pulled over this woman and gave her a ticket because she was driving with a broken light.
Get you the sign there where the X is.
So you don't even give a warning for this?
You've been driving around for 6 months like that.
I'm truthful.
She refused to pay for the ticket, which means the officer had to arrest her.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
I'm
What do you
placing
mean,
you under
no,
arrest.
I'm
She didn't want to
not?
pay
You
for the
can't,
ticket,
you
so
can't
she
be
drove
like,
away.
no reverse.
Get out of the car.
I am not. You better leave me. Yeah, I tried to kick you because I'm a country girl. Because no, I
And
didn't
you got
like being
tased
thrown on
because
the
of
floor.
it.
How do you even end up in this type of
Dumb
situation?
bitch. Glitch? It's a glitch, guys. It's okay. I mean... Ma'am, you can't park here.
A police officer ran into this biker
Wow.
because he was texting and driving.
Whoa, whoa! Ah! You mother... What are you looking at your phone, officer? I got a text from the other officer.
This guy tried running
What,
away from the police in a
excuse?
golf cart.
Leave the dog.
The three of them? 4? Was it that bad, bro? Come on, you don't need 4 cop cars after one idiot golf
This driver
cart.
somehow ran over this electric charging station and didn't notice and kept driving.
What do you mean you didn't notice? Oh, they're old as shit. That's how
This
they
truck
didn't
was moving a
notice.
wind turbine blade over these train tracks, and they didn't do a very good job with planning ahead.
Yeah, that's fucked.
This guy drove into a giant rock and didn't even really seem to notice.
Yeah, it's just a glitch. Just a glitch, guys. It's okay. Just reset the game and you'll be fine.
Hey, Lassie, I
Oh,
got some stuffed animals.
hello.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay.
A few days ago, there was a rocket launch that left behind a really weird phenomenon. It's called a blue spiral, and it's caused by frozen rocket fuel.
Cool 3D effects. Free download.
Good boy.
Jiggle,
I
jiggle.
just found
Did he
out that
just
gas-
jiggle at us?
We're not doing tickle tickles. Good boy.
I thought he
I
said
just
jiggle.
found out that gas stations have this really cool fire extinguishing mechanism in place.
Yup. My shower does that. My shower does that. But with water. I thought he had a hat on that was the dog. Friend.
This truck has a TV screen that allows you to see what's in front of the truck.
Can you play Shrek on that, please? Actually, no, play one of my videos. It's literally turning its back to me. That's how much it doesn't want to be my Pokemon. Stupid, shiny, fat, ugly cricket bastard.
An artist decided to put in seesaws on the border between the United States and Mexico.
Oh, that's fun. I like turning it a negative
I'm not sure how
thing into a
something like this
positive
is
thing.
even possible, but she somehow baked hollow cookies.
Queen, what did you do? How the fuck you do that?
An artist made a realistic vase out of paper.
I don't like it, I'm scared. Oh, I don't like that.
I feel like this toaster is
I
really
don't like
poorly
that at
designed.
all, I'm scared of it. Oh. Oh.
His mom was trying to figure out where this wild bird was
Yes.
hiding in her bathroom.
Oh my god. Logan, can you see him? Is he there?
Vamos, ¿qué hiciste? Vamos, ¿qué hiciste? Vamos, ¿qué hiciste?
I don't know what those words mean. Somebody help me, I'm stupid and white. Okay.
For me. For you? Okay. For me.
What? The betrayal. The betrayal. That's so funny, bro.
Feeling.
Uh-huh.
So I guess electric cars might have a slight advantage when it comes to driving through floods.
Oh my god.
So there is an exhaust, it's electric.
What happened?
So there's no combustion.
Okay. Hit him in the head, hit him in the head. Yes! Miss shit, he took my eyelash! The fear! Oh, this again, I'm happy, I like this one.
Let's go, let's go.
to stop paying for the lessons and get him a different hobby.
Oh, dude, there's a scratch on my car. Let me get that. All right, I think we're good. Let's go.
No.
Go.
Okay. Have you been eating the bubbles?
No.
Huh?
She wanted to surprise her
Huh?
boyfriend.
What?
Oh my god!
What? He carried her away. He's like, you're mine now, bye. Is that a fucking dinosaur?
You're not really supposed to be here.
Raccoons are absolutely
Lady
ruthless.
over? She's not that old.
Raccoons are
I thought it was an
absolutely
old
ruthless.
lady. That would have been so much funnier. It's just a raccoon, bro. Kick it! It's a fucking tiny creature. People are so, like, skittish. People see mice and go like, ah! Oh, mouse!
This hippo chased down a boat and broke its motor.
Mouse! And you're like, bro, just fucking kick it if it's... Just kick it, bro. If it's trying to fuck you up, just fight back. It's not like it's a fucking crocodile. This is dangerous. You probably shouldn't kick this thing. They sound like someone voice acting the animals. Like, they don't sound like the animals.
So when you step on the scale and this happens, what does that mean?
What does that mean? What is that? Stupid
Poor
bitch.
little guy was absolutely terrified.
Oh, buddy.
Wait. It's supposed to pop out.
This cat is an absolute menace.
He's like actively munching.
I'm done with my shift.
Est-ce que vous avez la vision ou pas? Parce que personnellement, j'ai
What
la
the
vision.
fuck is wrong with
J'ai
you?
la vision. C'est vraiment
That's
la perte de la
fucking
vision.
disgusting. I
Poor little
hate
guy
it.
was overstimulated.
Ew. The child that has autism and then the child that has ADHD.
Why is she talking like this?
Miami, south to Miami. Please make your way to your assigned seats and enjoy the ride. Bright pink will be departing south to Miami.
Talk about how this guy that you want to be
Because,
with kept calling you
because
bro,
she's
dude,
kooky
man,
like that.
whatever.
What? I don't like this. I don't like that. That's a fever dream. That's
She
something
wanted
that
to try
AI
out
would
mom's
make.
false eyelashes. All these window washers dressed up in costumes to cheer up these kids that are in a children's hospital.
You're gonna die soon. Let me wash this window because a superhero and whatnot.
Look at its little butt.
Oh, butt. Oh. Why is he oiled up and in underwear?